Hello and assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will learn how to earn money on YouTube. But before I will say that many of video I making blogging. That's why I making video from blogging because many people can hear. At least they fall and then they see more. So let's start now how to earn money on YouTube. You can earn on YouTube by applying for and being accepted to the YouTube Partner Program. You may also qualify to receive Shorts bonuses as part of the YouTube Shorts Fund without being in the YouTube Partner Program. A few notes. We won't tell you that you can create on YouTube, but we do have the responsibility to do right by your viewers, creators, and advertisers. If you are in the YouTube Partner Program, you can earn money through YouTube. When in the YouTube Partner Program, we hold you a higher standard. To make sure we are rewarding good creators, we review your channel before you are accepted in the YouTube Partner Program. We also constantly review channel to make sure you're meeting all our policies and guidelines. Channels do not need to be monetizing on YouTube to be eligible for the YouTube Shorts Fund. Creator is the YouTube Partner Program and channel that are a part of a multi-channel network are still eligible. You may be liable to pay taxes on your earning from YouTube. Find out more below. Ways to make money in the YouTube Partner. First is advertising revenue. Get ad revenue from display, overlay, and video ads. Channel memberships. Your members make recurring monthly payments in exchange for special perks that you offer. Merchship. Your fans can browse and buy official branded merchandise that's showcased on your watch page. Super chat and super stickers. Your fans pay to get their messages highlights in the chat streams. YouTube Premier revenue. Get part of the YouTube Premier subscribers subscription fee when they watch your contents. Each feature has its own set of eligibility requirements on top of subscriber and view count requirements. If our viewers believe that your channel or video is not eligible, specific feature may not be available. These extra thresholds exist for two main reasons. The most important one is that we have to meet legal requirement in every area where the feature is available. Then because we want to reward good creators, we need to make sure we have enough context on your channel. Generally, this context means we need more content to look at. Keep in mind that we constantly review channel to make sure your content is aligned with your policies. Minimum eligibility requirements to turn on monetization features. Keep in mind that each feature has its own requirements. Some feature may not be available to you due to local legal requirements. Advertisement revenue. Be at least 18-year-olds or have a legal guardian older than 18 years of age who can handle your payments via AdSense. Create content that meets our advertisers' friendly content guidelines. Channel memberships. Be at least 18-year-old. Have more than 1,000 subscribers. Merchships. Have more than 10,000 subscribers. Super chat and super stickers. Be at least 18-year-old. It is same. Live in a country region where super chat is available. YouTube Premier revenue. Create content watched by our viewers who is a YouTube Premier subscriber. YouTube Shorts Fund. The YouTube Short Fund is a $100 million fund to reward creators for their dedication to making creative, original shorts that delight the YouTube community. You will reach out to thousands of creators each month of them. Tell them that they qualify for a short bonus from the fund. Requirement. In this country, the shorts are available. For example, Algeria, America, Pakistan, Egypt, India, Israel, Iraq, etc. These are also eligible. Your YouTube earning and tax liability. Earning money on YouTube Receiving shorts bonuses are a great way to be rewarded for good, engaging content on the platform. Keep in mind that you may be liable to pay taxes to your country of residence on any income earned from your monetized video on YouTube. Check with your local tax authorities for detailed guidance. So, this is the topic today, and the end of subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon. Thank you.